Q5 student, welcome back. So today's lesson we were talking about the session 1.1 B part, okay? So in the A part previous lesson, you have learned how to find the general term, right? But in the B part, sorry, no more general term. We will asking you finding the specific one of the terms, okay? What does it mean? So for example, in the previous one, we will know that if I give you a 2, 4, okay, and then unknown term and then 8, okay, so what is the term in the middle? But if I told you that the general term is 2n, so how can I find this one? Okay, so first of all, you need to know that that one is on the position 3, the third one, right? So what you can do is do the substitution 3, okay, n become 3, t3. So what you need to do is do the substitution all the n with the substitution 3. Then you will know that, okay, this is 6. So you can answer the question that T3, okay, in the position 3, the value is 6, okay? So this is how can we giving you the general term, and then you help me to finding one specific terms, okay? So for example, in here, we give you a hint, okay? So Tn, 2n plus 1. So this is the general term. So how can I find the first 4 term, okay? Just do the substitution. Can you see that? Do the substitution when n equal to 1, n equal to 2, 3, 4. You do all of the substitution, then you can find out the solution. So just answer the question. Yes, the sequence is 3, 5, 7, 9. Okay? So this is how can we find the specific term. If you are okay, now let's do some quick practice to familiar with it. Okay, so take a look of the quick practice 1.2. So now here we will have a general term, Tn equal to 2n minus 5, right? The question asking you find first 4 term. Okay, so what we need to do is do the substitution. What is the T1? What is the T2, T3, T4? Okay, all the things is keep the same, just the n need to change. Okay, so when n equal to 1, we will do 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, do all the substitution and then calculate the final answer. So it's not difficult. Okay, in this chapter, actually, if you know the formula, know the skill, the question will be super easy. So this is our first 4 term. Okay, so do remember to answer the question. Okay, told them that the first 4 term is or are, okay, the first 4 term are -3, -1, 1, and 3. Okay, so this is your A part. Now we go to the B part. B part not asking you find the first 4, asking you the specific one. Please tell me what is the position in the 9 and the 16. Okay, so how can we do it is, again, same skill, T9, T16. See? That's it. Okay, not difficult, right? So super easy. We just do the substitution. And then we will have the final answer 13 and 27. Don't forget to answer the question, okay? So what you need to do is the 9th term is 13, okay? The 16th one is 27. Then done. Okay, so this is how can we find a specific term. Just do the substitution. Okay, super easy. Got it? Now we go to the next quick practice. Now this time, they give you a general term. They also give you a sequence, okay? Remember, they are coherent, okay? So now A part asking, find the value of P, okay? So what can we do? Just try to start with the T1, okay? If I don't know anything, okay, T1 is P, then n will become 1 because we're talking about the T1, okay? So 1 minus 1, then T1 is the first term, right? So you find out the first term. First term is 0, so equal to 0. So here, P times 0 equal to 0. Okay, I don't know what is P. I can't solve it. So is it n? No. If T1 can't help you, why not try T2? Okay, so we'll have the T2. T2 will equal to -2. So here will be P equal to -2. Can you see that? T2 help. So that means T1 is useless, right? If this is useless, you can erase it. Okay, so if you're good enough in math, actually at the first time you will know that T1 is not okay? So you can start T2 immediately. But if you don't know, it doesn't matter. Just try and error, okay? Any one of them can solve it. So A part done. Now we go to the B part, okay? So B part, find the 12, okay? Specific term, easy. 12, okay? Do the substitution. P we already find is -2. Then this is 12, okay? Equal to what, okay? Just using the calculator, or you can calculate by yourself. It's super easy. It's -22. Then answer the question, please, okay? 12 term is 22. Done, okay? Now we go to the C part. C part asking you which term, okay? They don't know where is it, okay? Maybe we got a 0, -2, -4, -6. Then I don't know where, okay? Where is a term with -28 stand on, okay? I want to find out where is it, okay? So you can see that now this time the unknown is n, right? So that means you can't do any substitution. N is your unknown, -2 and -1. But I know the value standing on here, just like this one. Can you see that? -2, -22. Then here we'll have -28. Okay, I know that the value is -28, but I don't know what is the position. So just solving equation, you will find the n. Okay, n is equal to 15. Then answer the question, it will be the 15th term. That's it. Okay, so do remember, they can give you any one of the item be unknown. Okay, they can give you value, find the n. They can give you a term, then find the value. Okay, just two things. Okay, reverse. Got it? Now let's try one more quick practice. Okay, so here you can see that they didn't give you any number, but they give you a graph. What can you do? Just counting all those dots, you know? Okay, so now take a look of this. We have the first one, second, third, fourth. So actually this is also a sequence, but they just give you a dot, not a number to present it, okay? So now take a look of the A1. A1, find A1. That's mean what? That's mean almost just like find T1, okay? But now here we're using A. Why? Actually, this is just an unknown. We can using Tn term. We can using An to present. If you like, you can using Pn. Okay, it doesn't matter. Okay, it depends on the question. But most likely we will using the T only. Okay, so now they asking you A1. That means the first term. Okay, A1 is your first term. A2 is your second term. So you're just counting the dot. So very easy, right? Counting the dot, we have the A1 will equal to 1. We have the A2 equal to 4. A3 will equal to 7. A4 will equal to 10. That's it. Okay, only counting the dot. Can you see that? So if okay, now we go to the A2. A2, I want to find the AN. AN actually means TN. That means general term. I want to find the general term. General term means something n. Okay, for example, 2n minus 1. Okay, n to the power 2. Okay, something like that. So how can we find it? Observe the pattern. Okay, so take a look of this. Observe the pattern. Actually, you can see that almost every sequence, the item, you're just adding 3, right? You're just adding 3 to the previous one. So we will know that actually it should be related with 3. So what can we do is, if you relate it with 3, it will be 3n. Then let's try to test, okay? If this is 3n, let's try. A1, that means 3 times 1. Okay, but 3 times 1 is 3. Our final answer is 1. It's not equal, right? What can I do to become 1? Maybe I try to minus 2. Okay, so let's try A2 again. A2, 3 times 2 is 6. But 6 is not 3 times 2 is 6. But 6 is not equal to 4. What can we do? We can also minus 2. See? Actually, they got some similar pattern. Try one more A3 to show you, okay? 3 times 3 is 9. But our answer is 7. How can we become a 7? We just need to minus 2. See it? So actually you can see that beside times the same number 3, they also need to minus 2 to become the value you want, okay? So that means the general term, not just 3m, we also need to minus 2, okay? So I know that a lot of the student will confuse, oh, Miss Poon, it's super difficult, how can I know it, okay? So don't worry, do you still remember I told you Session 1.1 asking you to use your experience, your logical thinking, your observation to find out the general term. But Session 1.2 and 1.3, we got a systematic way to teach you how to do it. It's super easy. We got a flow, we got a system, okay? Don't worry, every one of you will know how to do it, okay? So this is A2 general term. Now we go to the B part. How many dot, okay? That's mean the value, okay? Actually asking you how many dot, that's mean asking you the value. What is the value when I standing on the 8th, okay? The position 8. So what can you do is do the substitution. The position 8, okay? So 3 times 8 minus 2 is 22. So you just answer the question. Remember, any long question, you need to answer the question, okay? You say that there are 22 dot. That's it, done, okay? So this is session 1.1. Easy, right? So tomorrow you will start the session 1.2. Make sure that you pay attention, because tomorrow we will teach you a systematic way to find all the general term and find a specific term, okay? That's it. Thank you. Bye.